My name is Srinivasan. I'm an agile coach and a trainer. I am from New Jersey. I'm passionate about people, process, products, and I'm learning a lot about lean startups. I tried some of these stuff with my clients, and I like the way it works. So today we are going to be playing a game to mimic or imitate some of the things which lean startups do. And each table probably will be having about 6 to 8 or 10 people. So if you're going to be sitting in the chairs there, you're going to be participants. You're not going to be playing the game. So I will leave it up to you to decide on that. Right? So before we get started, how many of you here are product managers or have been product managers? Okay. Okay. How many of you guys have worked in a startup? Okay. How many of you guys have worked in a startup and have managed projects? Wow. Cool. I thought no hands would go up. Cool. So our objective of this game is to really see how startups work. I worked in various organizations, big and small, Fortune 500s. I've been doing some consulting for quite some time. This is about me. The objective of this game is to run a profitable business, a profitable startup. Startup is inherently very different from a large organization which has established business processes and a product line, because startup is inherently very unstable. There's a lot of chaos there, and people really try to succeed with startups. A lot of startups fail. Right? Anybody know of a startup which failed in the recent past? In India? Right? Sorry? You don't hear about one that fails. Okay, you only hear about success. Okay, which one succeeded recently? Flipkart. Okay, yeah, that's a good business model, right? And there was a startup named Dabbleboard, which actually is a whiteboard kind of software for web usage. And they were kind of doing some stuff, and finally they failed. They shut it down like about 6 months ago, right? There's a history about people starting a business. They have a great idea, they start up, and finally things fail, right? We're going to explore some of this on what happens through a game, right? This obviously doesn't really cover all the aspects of a startup, including the legal aspects, the accounting aspects, but it's just more about the product development aspect in a startup, okay? Cool. So your objective is to run a profitable startup. I'll be seating you guys with some initial supplies, and we'll be doing some runs or iterations, right? Your iteration here is different from the iteration term which you are using in your Agile or Scrum processes, right? Each run is going to be 3 minutes long, and you're going to have a 1 minute retrospective, and you're going to be cleaning up your plays as well, right? You're going to be working as teams, and you're going to be having some constraints. You're going to be having 2 helpers here, Dhaval, who will be helping me with something, and Sandeep will be helping me with the supplies. So come on here, each table, grab some supplies. Each of you need 1 flip chart, 1 pen per table, 1 pen per table, 1 pen per table, 1 pen per table. You got it? You need flip charts? Yeah. Okay. I'll also be giving you scissors, right? 1 scissor per table. 1 scissor per table. Okay, 1 scissor per table. Right. Need scissors, anybody? 1 scissor per table. Everybody got scissors? Okay, you don't have it? Okay, cool. It's cool. You're going to be tracking some metrics. Right? You're going to be tracking some metrics. So are you ready to note down what metrics you'll be tracking? You can use spare paper if you want. You're going to be tracking some metrics, which is cost of supplies. Actually, we need some A4 papers as well. It's right there in the back. Yeah. Cost of supplies, your operation cost, how much money you're making, the cost of a rejected widget or bug. You'll be making widgets. I won't tell you what widget that is, right? Revenue, which is the money you generate by sale. I have money here. I'll be seeding you with some money, and balance or profit for each of these iterations, right? So can you give them like 4 sheets per table, right? And can you give them like $200 per table? Right? So this is your seed money and your seed stuff, and you would be building something for me. I will be acting as a customer during the game, and then move or take on the hat of facilitator after we are done with the game. So you're going to be working together as teams. Any questions in the game so far?
So should we do that, those numbers times 4, or like 4 different, 1 sheet per iteration, or?
That's totally up to you. I'm going to leave it up to you to decide.
Measurable per iteration, like you said.
Yeah, the cost of supplies is what you're going to be tracking. So maybe you buy some supplies from me later on during the iteration. You're going to be tracking the cost, right? Any questions so far? I'm going to offer you a tip here. Listen to your customer. I'm your customer. I'm the guy who's having the money. I'm going to ask you to listen to me, subtle clues on what I do and how I react, right? So you have to learn that about what I am expecting, right? And you're going to be building a widget for me. The widget, everybody ready? Right? This one? Balance and profit. Yeah, sure. I can leave this on so you can track it. He's going to be using that, and he's going to be giving you the supplies as well. So we're going to leave this slide. Right? Everybody ready? We're going to have 3-minute iterations, and I'm going to signal the iteration by raising my hand, and it's a visual indicator. If you see me raise my hand, that means the time is up. You stop whatever you're doing, and you raise your hand. Got it? You're self-organizing. There's going to be a lot of chaos, but we're going to try and minimize that by visual signals. Okay? The widget is something which flies. I'm your customer. I like things which fly. So the widget is something which flies. Yes, you have a question?
Yeah. Is it living or inanimate?
Whatever you have in your table, you make something for me with that, right? Right? So, sorry? You will find out. You have some supplies. You have some money. So you will find out. And you're going to be using a flip chart to track your metrics and not for making the widget. The iteration is starting right when I say. Yeah, that's it. I can buy multiple objects. If you make multiple objects, I'll buy multiple objects. Yes. Yes. You will make a bid, and if I like it, I will pay you higher. If I don't like it, I'll pay you lower, or I won't pay.
Do you want a functional one or a good looking one?
You will find out. Sorry, yes. You will find out. Yes. I will be buying it from you, yes. You will find out. Yes. I'm a widget collector. I collect widgets which fly. Something that flies, yes. Nothing else. You will find out, right? The goal is for you to maximize your profit, right? And nail down what I really want, what I'm willing to pay.
Have we started?
Yeah, I will buy multiple items. We are starting right now. 3 minutes, clock is set. Go for it. Yeah. No, I don't like this. No, I don't like this. I don't like this because it flies, but it is ugly. I'm a widget collector. I don't want to put this on my wall. Right? Yeah. Yeah. No, you don't paste that. I don't want it on my wall. Yes. That looks interesting. Show me. Yeah, it kind of flies, but yeah, but kind of falls down too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe I will. I want something better.
You see this one? You see this one?
Yeah, man, I wouldn't buy that. No, no. Oh, that is beautiful. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, yeah. I'll pay $20 for that.
Great.
$20. Yeah, here you go. Take the money.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. No, I don't like this model. Kind of.
We have another serious one.
It flies. Yeah, I'll pay $20 for that. Yeah, this one I don't like. I don't like these models. Yeah, I'll pay $20. You have to give it to Dhaval because he's going to be putting it. Yes, I don't like this because it doesn't really fly. Yeah, $20. Yeah, give it to Dhaval. Get the money.
How about this?
Give it to Dhaval.
So how about this? So we give it the first one. How about this?
Yeah, this is okay for me. Yeah, I'm just kind of having some planes like this.
Alright, so what do you
Can you make some more of these? Maybe 2 or 3 of this. I'll pay $20.
for all of them? Or for
Yeah, all of them. Yeah. This is. Wow, I like this. I'll pay you $60. Oh, nice. 20, 40, 60. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, cool. $60. Dhaval, this is 60. 60. Yeah, sorry. Yes, yes. This one flies, but I have enough of these. But if you make some more, maybe 6 or 7 of them, I'll pay you like $40.
Would you buy this?
Yeah, I'll buy that. I'll buy that. But yeah. Yeah, this is okay. I'll get you like maybe 20. Yeah. I like this. It's 40 for this. Right.
You don't like this?
Yeah, I don't like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Helicopter you don't like?
No.
how about this?
This is yes. I said 40. Yes. This is actually okay. But you know, no,
How much is it worth to you?
nothing.
Look at this one.
No, no, no.
How is
No,
this one?
no, 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 no. Oh yeah, this is something I like. Yeah, nice, nice. Hey, this is very unique. Got some IAF on it. IAF is Indian Air Force.
Yes.
Okay, I'll pay you $70 for it. $80 for this. Whoa, yeah, 80. Yeah, he's got some design. IAF. Nah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that design. Yeah.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Time up.
Not buying anymore?
Time up. Time up. Time up. Time up. 60 more. 20. No, I probably will buy it next iteration though. Cool.
Thank you.
Cool.
She paid for that?
This is 40.
40?
Yeah. You have 1 minute for your retrospective. One minute to get your metrics up and running. I need to see your metrics. I'm not going to talk to you now.
I'm sure it's fun to do a lot of money.
I wish I could print money like this. No, just kidding.
Kind of flight.
I'm busy right now.
So when can we meet?
When the next iteration starts.
Next iteration, sir.
Yeah.
So are you looking for such kind of perspective?
I actually have to catch up. You know, I'm a customer. I'm busy. I can't talk to you right now. I'm a little bit busy.
Okay.
So, yeah. I guess ready for the next iteration. Everybody got your metrics? We are starting our next iteration in 5 seconds. Nobody's done the metrics? Did? Okay. Okay. Okay, next iteration starts. You got 3 minutes, guys. Start your next iteration. 3 minutes.
Can you buy this? You can actually hit in the classrooms. So this
I
is
am
one
high.
traditionally used.
I see. Okay. Yeah, I like the writing here, but I'll buy it if you make it a little bit more colorful.
Colors.
Yeah. This is actually it's a little bit dirty, but I like the writings though. You know, the design is something I like. Yeah.
So what do you think? Any modification?
Yeah, get me some more design, but I don't like the shape though.
Oh, you don't like the shape?
Yeah. This flies well.
Very well.
Yeah, I see a happy face too. Okay, that's nice. I like this design though.
Okay.
Yeah, but I need more colors. You know, so it's
More
a little.
colors?
Yeah, I need more colors.
Don't want to buy this?
You should just add some more design. I'll start.
Given a personal logo also.
He's customized it. I like it, man. I'll give you $100 for this. Ooh. 20, 40,
So you'd like more
60,
and more such
80.
planes?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This is unique. I like this. It's a $100 plane. Yeah. So,
You would
What
like
else would you like to buy if you could build something of this?
I am kind of liking something which is unique, and so I like designs.
This is white label.
This is white label. No, I don't buy this.
You can
Sorry.
brand whatever way you want it.
No, I'm not in the business of branding. I just collect planes. This
American.
I have some designs and stuff, but maybe I'll just buy this for maybe $20.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, take 20.
Your wings on it, bird wings.
Okay. Good, cool. Yeah, but it's only black, right? So, yeah, $20. Yeah, just to remember, I mean, Sandeep there has the supplies. Okay, so if you want something, you can go buy from him.
Oh, yeah.
For $20. Right. Yeah, this is good. So, 20, all these 20. 20s, 20, yeah.
And it is 4.
Yeah,
I'm
you
ready with the 4.
four. But you see, man, I'm just kind of liking these kind of design. You know, he's kind of made up all these designs, kind of.
So it is one sample. So next I will come up with next iteration.
Yeah, maybe next time.
This is new one.
How about this?
This is something. Yeah.
Bought something, you didn't give me the money.
Yeah, I bought. How much? This is something. Yeah, 20. Yes, cool.
But
What about that?
This is 20. Yeah.
Okay, so another 20.
ask about
Cool. Okay, cool. Fly your dreams. Okay, cool. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. It's nice. I like this, but I want a little bit of blunt edges. I mean, it's a little bit sharper. I'm seeing that people are flying this, so it's hurting them. So I want a little bit blunt edge. Okay.
about this?
So I'll buy it this time for $20, but next time I'm looking for a little bit blunt edges. Right. Blunt edges. This one I won't buy. Sorry.
Something that can fly in water.
It's called swimming. It's or it's called sailing. It's not flying. No, it doesn't work, man. No, I won't buy this. Sorry.
the one with Indian flag.
Okay, I'll give you $20 for that, but I want all colors though.
Okay.
Yeah, get it to me with colors. I'll give you $20.
It's a flying
You need to
balloon.
pay me my $20.
Yes, thank you.
Flying balloon.
As we discussed, 4 you like, why didn't
No, man. So look at what I have. You know, I have beautiful stuff here. That's 20. Yes. Yeah. See, look at. No, I won't buy this. Actually, this is different, unique. Yeah, but I don't like the sharp edges though. Can you make them trim? Yeah, trim. Yeah.
Pretty guys got a mouth and eyes.
Okay. Time up. Do your retrospective. 1 minute. Do your retrospective. Time up. I'm not talking to you now. One minute for your retrospective and getting your metrics. Not right now.
Do you care about the design?
Yeah, I like colors.
This is
What
for
kind of
family.
thing?
No, it's for family.
Family.
Small things.
No, man.
How about this one?
No, I won't buy this.
No,
I mean,
how
I
about
have
this one?
This one?
Yeah, this is actually different, but yeah, yeah, I like blunt edges. I'm saying like you're flying it, it hurts. Yeah, I mean, this is, what is this? I can put peanuts and eat in this. Yeah, yeah, this has some cuts and it has unique, but I'd still like blunt edges, you know. So I'll give you 20 for this.
Okay, right.
Yeah, oh yeah, I like this. You know, like the edges are shaped, curved. I'll give you actually $80 for this.
Oh, thank
yeah,
you so
yeah, $80. Right. This is 80. Right.
You have to get 100.
You have to get 100. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, get 100 from him.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, give him 100. Yeah.
$80.
80.
This is a unique
Get 40 from him. Yeah.
It's a unique one.
Yeah. Yes, 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 yes,
So you
yes,
have to
yes.
listen to me.
Yeah.
Here's the
So
one.
here's-
Here's the one.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm looking for blunt edges.
So
I have enough
no,
color.
If,
Different one?
so
Yeah.
there's a problem with your requirement.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a problem with the
Blunted
requirement.
edges.
I'm a customer, man. I got the money.
There's a problem.
Yeah.
Sure, you hadn't seen a
there's a
plane
problem.
like this.
Blunted
I don't want that.
edges.
Yeah, yeah. But I actually need a nice blunt tapered edges.
If you go for those blunt, if you go for those blunt edges,
Cool, cool. This is okay. But I don't like. I have enough planes. I have more beautiful planes.
Ram, if you go for blunt edges, airplane.
Yeah.
Airplane is gonna fall down.
No.
Colored one, blunt colored.
Yeah, blunt color. Can you shape and taper the edges a little bit for me? Like make it more circular, right? Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, nice, nice.
What about the groundbreaking helicopter design?
Will it? Actually, this is unique.
Yeah, we are patenting it. Soon we'll be making a final product.
Yeah, look at this, man. It's unique. This is $140.
Oh, great.
Yeah, cool,
Rounded
cool.
edges there.
Get the money. Yeah, yeah. This is good. This is good too.
How much would you pay for that?
I'll buy this for $40.
Are you serious?
40.
How about this?
I won't buy this.
How about this?
No, I won't buy that. 40.
You promised me $140.
Yeah.
$140.
Yeah.
About the small
Count how
one,
much?
the blunt edges.
Right.
Let me count and give you.
Rounded one.
Yeah. Time up, guys.
Okay.
It's one with an American flag.
Why American flag?
I just thought you're from the US.
7.
Okay.
Son of them.
Okay. Iteration is over. Sorry, I can't talk to you now. My iteration is over. It's 3 minutes. Time starts now. 3 minute. Time starts now. Yeah.
So now this comes what you bought for 100. It comes with customizations. You can change the covers whenever you want with the different colors. It
Yeah.
comes with a
But
color
I'm
palette.
looking for like nice tapered edges too. You know.
All right.
So
However, our research shows that if you do that, your flying time will reduce by a certain percentage, and your overall.
I'm buying it. So sorry. I don't want this.
We got agile coach.
But you wanted something that flies.
Yeah, yeah, I want something that flies.
Yes, you wanted something
Yeah,
that flies.
I don't like the design though. Yeah. No, man, I need blunt edges though. So blunt edges. Yeah, blunt edges. Right.
Why does it's got blunt edges?
Yeah. Can you also see if you can shape these things up a little bit? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, okay. I mean, but it's kind of, it's too small though. Something which flies with blunt edges. Probably no edges too, you know, like nice design. Yeah.
A new one. Round edges.
Round
And
edges
then
is
your
good.
face
Yeah.
on it. We can customize it to your needs. Any which way you want. You like your girlfriend on it? Sure, you can do that.
I'll maybe pay $20 for this, man.
Really?
Not more than that.
This is a blunt edges.
No, this is not blunt edges.
Flying carpet.
No, I don't buy that.
That one has blunt edges.
Yeah, yeah, $20 for this. No, not really. Okay. Yeah.
Beautiful blunt edges. And blue windows.
Blunt edges.
Nah.
Come on.
Nah,
At least 40 for it.
nah.
You won't get the blunt
20.
edges.
20.
This is a flying saucer.
20. Yeah. Nah. Yeah, this looks kind of more symmetrical. I like it to some extent, but it's what is this you said?
It's a flying saucer.
It's a flying saucer?
It doesn't need any clear.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
also you can make it's made with a material wherein you can use it as a parachute also.
Okay. Okay. I'll pay you $100 for this. Okay, $100. Yeah. Just. No. It has a lot of edges. I don't like them.
$100. 100.
Yeah, 100.
This is
Yeah.
only 40.
Yeah, 60.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, good.
80.
Nah, it's okay. I mean,
Suppose I gave you a plate, would you buy it?
nah.
You don't have a red plane.
But I got similar planes, you know.
No, you don't have red plane. See,
Wait, what?
it's completely red.
Okay.
You'll have something different.
Okay, I'll pay 20, man. Not
At
more
least
than-
40.
Nah, 20.
Come on, it's
What's
red.
that?
It's a beautiful.
Oh, it's a widget which flies? It's for flying saucer. Ah, nice.
You can have it as a hat too, and you can eat food on it.
It flies?
It flies.
Oh, it flies. Okay. Nice. Oh, nice. I like it. I'll pay $100 for that.
Cool.
Just take 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
Would
That's
you like
cool.
it? Would you like colors on it next time?
Try it out. Maybe. You know, if it's good, I'll buy that. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I paid 100. I mean, this one is 20, you know.
Look at this.
This is okay,
Original World War
but
II
I'm not
with
too
war
sure if it
damage.
would fly.
We can try.
You can try. Can you try?
War damage.
Yeah.
It's an original World War
No, man. I like kind of these kind of stuff. You know, they are actually symmetrical. I like symmetry. This has nice design too. Some design.
Are you getting anything?
Yeah.
Hey, this flies,
This one,
this
this one
hovers,
here.
this,
No,
this
no.
takes you to space.
Nah,
this.
nah,
Monique,
nah.
You won't get anywhere. I'm ready to sell it for $250.
No, nah, I won't buy it. Sorry. Try some other
Original
customer.
damage. World War II.
Nah.
Ram, look at this.
Nah.
Are you sure?
Don't get it.
Getting it for
See, you
Nah,
don't have a piece at all. See, look at this.
Why would I buy this?
See this?
Why would I buy
It's
this?
just a flying thing.
Okay. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Hey. You already have that, but maybe you can get some design on this.
Like that?
Oh yeah, that's cool. I like this design.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll pay you.
$200.
No, I'll pay you $80.
Oh, the
Yeah.
other one was $100.
You can be a butterfly.
Yeah,
You can
I'll
be a
pay you
butterfly.
$80 for this.
Hey, you
Right.
can be a butterfly.
Yeah. No, I don't want that. Yeah.
See this, man.
No, $80. Get it from Sandeep. Yeah.
Here's the alien craft.
The one with multiple wings.
Nah. This is okay. $20. Get 20 from Sandeep.
The one with multiple wings.
Alien craft.
Nah, I already have some of
Hey, you
that.
can be a butterfly, Ram.
Nah.
No.
One with multiple wings.
No, man. No.
You wanted innovative things. See this.
Yeah, actually, I don't have something similar.
You don't
Yeah,
have.
20 for this.
have
Yeah.
a
Okay, I'll get you for $20.
20 is too cheap.
Okay, I don't want it.
Traditional kite.
Oh! Nice. Kite which flies. Cool. I'll pay 100.
Wow.
Cool.
100 थोड़ा कम लग रहा है.
That's what I'll pay.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe just make some better design. You know, I like it. So this is also unique. 100 for that. Supplies come from this guy. Your supplies come from this guy. I'll take it for this time, but next time your supplies comes from this guy. But I'm not sure if it flies. It's called throwing, not flying. You said 100, right? You got 100. 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh, it's a happy flying saucer. Oh.
No, that's not part of stationery available.
Oh, no, it is, actually. Sandeep is selling it, yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, no, man. No, that actually violates the rules of the game. You don't see that. He's not selling it. It's a kind of...
Okay, at least 60. Come on.
Nah, this one I'll take it for maybe $20.
So if you were to buy one for 200, what would that look like?
It'll be really beautiful. I'm an art collector. So I really want something beautiful, something nice, something which I can put it in my display and maybe very unique and...
Beautiful, nice, unique.
Yeah, very unique.
Right.
Yeah, kind of. It's like single color. Maybe if you get me 10 of these, I'll pay 20.
I forgot, how much did you want to pay for that?
I'll pay only 20, man. I got better stuff there.
See this?
Right.
How about this same looking plane?
Nah, it's okay. Actually different though. Yeah, maybe I'll, if I'll probably make 20.
Okay.
20. This is actually not too good. I have better stuff than this.
The latest design.
No, man. I already got some. I don't need that. 20, yes, 20. 20.
Not just a flying thing, it's a space shuttle. You can go so far out.
Which actually, this was the first space shuttle that came back.
The design is
We
also
collected
very
some.
unique. Landed safely. It can actually come back. It can actually.
Okay,
fly
it's a
back.
model of a space shuttle.
Yes.
No, it really flies straight.
No, it's called throwing.
Oh, this no.
Really flies?
Yep. See, this can also generate power. Countdown.
It's throwing, man.
No, but then that's how.
It's okay. I think
This
I'll.
can even generate power from wind.
No, I don't buy that.
We are thinking beyond Earth.
I'll take it maybe for $20, not more than that.
10 more.
No. 20.
Thank you.
It's 20. 20.
This is a magic.
This is also 20.
Magic
Nah.
carpet from the Arabian
Nah,
Nights.
no, come on. I don't buy that. No.
No.
Ram, you don't have a similar one.
Nah, I have.
You don't have
something
it. You don't
no,
have
I
it.
have similar. No,
You
it's
don't have anything which is flies.
Nah.
Just
look at this, man.
See this, man. You don't have
Nah,
it.
nah, I don't want that. This is 20 as well. This is 20.
You don't want it?
No. That's 20. Yeah, this is i4. Yeah, 20. Yeah. Yeah.
This is
No,
flying
this is
very
not
good
part of your supply.
Okay. How about this? The last one.
It's
last
broken. Time up,
One.
guys.
It's not broken. That's how it works.
Time up.
It's a feature. It's definitely for 100 meat.
Nah, I mean, I need some symmetry. I need some beauty in it.
Okay, at least 60.
Sorry.
60. So
Nah. Nah. Time up. Time up, guys. 1 minute for your retrospective. 1 minute for your retrospective. Okay, we're starting our last iteration. Time starts now. 3 minutes, guys. Last iteration. That's 20. No, this was 100 and I. Nah, I already have a beautiful design there. Yeah.
This is something.
Nice. Nice. But it's not a widget. But I'll still, I'll pay you like $40. That's me. Yeah.
Here is the masterpiece work of art.
40.
It stands.
Ah,
It
nice.
should be at least with the 60.
That's
Emotion
interesting.
bird with different colors. You can choose your emotion depending on which direction you hold the plate. And
How is it going to stick?
what?
Or is this a part of the model?
Yeah, yeah. It's actually so you can take it off.
Are you looking something
Put
more
it separately if you want.
different into this?
Yeah, I mean, I like softer edges though. It's still something which flies, but I'll take this. I don't need this. I'll take this for maybe $20.
$20.
Yeah.
Or different kind
Nah,
of
I'm not into butterflies, man.
This is the bird of the bird that it's a rarest bird.
Nah, I'm not into birds. I'm into machines.
Yeah, it's just a prototype.
What's it? What's
It's
this?
a prototype. I mean, we are emulating the fastest bird that we found some 2 centuries back, based on the.
Nah.
Okay.
Nah.
Parachute, you
Nah.
can color it any which way you want, custom
What's
colors.
this?
Kite.
Oh, okay. Valentine's Day kite. Actually, this is different. Okay.
120.
Cool.
तो पैराशूट नहीं चाहिए आपको?
Ram, we have a smiling kite.
Yeah, I'll take it, but I'll only pay it like $40.
Okay.
40. That's it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. Time up. 120. Yes.
Okay. So I was trying to tell you that this is a machine which can fly, which is how much you paid for this?
20.
This kite?
Yeah, I paid 120 for the Valentine's Day kite. What the customer was actually wanting, right? I didn't tell you make a plane. I just said I need a widget which flies, right? Sometimes I didn't even check if it flies. because I am a collector. You're trying to really find out what is the product which would sell. If you're a startup, you're really figuring out a stable, scalable business model. It's not just a product. It's a whole business model. A lot of people say, oh, I have a great idea. Now I'm going to go do a startup. Doesn't really work. And that's one of the major reasons for a lot of failure is because they say, I got a great idea. I'm going to now build a company around it. I'm going to make tons of money. Right? Doesn't really work. Right? Startup fail for a lot of reasons, including the founders fight. You know, the product is really too way ahead of its curve. Or, most often, they actually don't have customers who would buy their particular offering. Right? So, these are some of the 9 fundamental sins because of which your startup kind of crumbles from inward. Right? One is, I know what the customer wants. That's actually a very biggest one because you don't have a customer when you're a startup. Established businesses have customers. They know the product. They know the offering. Startups really don't have customers. Maybe if you're a domain expert, maybe you have already established relationships. Yes, you have some knowledge about what your market is, whether it's a niche market, mass market, any of those things. But until you really make your first sale and until you establish a scalable business model, you don't have a customer. The second thing is, I know what features to build. Right? If you're in product development, your sales will tell you, oh, I actually need this, 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 and so build this. And engineering goes and builds it, and they try to sell it, and unfortunately they can't. And that's one of the biggest mistakes, right? We all think we have Steve Jobs inside our head, but unfortunately that's not very true, right? There are about 9 other reasons. I'm going to skip some of them. The slides will be available, and you can check it out. And the emphasis here is we have a fixed plan, so we know what to do, especially the founders, right? So we'll go ahead and do it and make the plan work. And there is no room for learning from your experiments. We don't even experiment. We say like, oh, this is the plan. We are going to do this, and we are going to make money, right? What happened during the course of your experiment is you learned a lot, right? You didn't make the same kind of planes which you made in your first iteration. You tried different stuff. I paid higher for something like this, which was unique. And then I started to pay less for it because it's not unique anymore, because your competition is catching up, right? Google came up with amazing Gmail. Now Microsoft's also working on to improve its Outlook experience. How many of you had a smartphone now? How many of you have had a smartphone 5 years ago? Right? People are catching up, right? So your product offerings always keep changing. You have to be very conscious about it, especially if you are in a B2C business, right? These will be available, and this is actually from Steve Blank's book. Steve Blank is actually one of the great guys in the San Francisco Bay Area. He found about 8 startups, and he actually kind of made this as an art, from an art to a science, right? So if you were to redefine a startup, a lot of people think it's just executing a plan and growing an organization, whereas a startup is a temporary organization looking for not just a product, but a scalable and a sustainable business model, right? And lean startup is something which Steve Blank, Eric Ries, Alexander Osterwalder, all those guys kind of formulated it, and they made this process from an art to a science, right? They have some specific formula for you, which you can use if you're doing a startup or if you're building a startup to test the waters, right? You're actually having a lot of hypotheses. That's what we'll talk about. One of the biggest differences is a startup is not a small scale of a big organization. Your startup is looking for a sustainable business model, whereas in a big enterprise, you have established customers, an established product, so you don't really need that kind of experimenting with a bigger enterprise, right? The slides will be available, and I'm going to skip over some of these slides because we are short on time. We have about 3 minutes left. Any questions so far, which I can answer? about startups.
That's the problem, right? So when we are trying to find out what customers want,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes customer doesn't even know what you want.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in your case also, when you started with, you didn't even know, and if a startup tries to focus energy on your wants, we ended up burning so many dollars.
Yeah, very true. Very true. The very reason is sometimes your customers don't even realize that you have a problem, right? I'll show you some of the references, and the term for it is early evangelist. Early evangelists actually are people who know that they have a problem and who are looking for a solution and who are trying to patch up something with their resources and available skills to find a solution, and somebody who actually has the budget to buy your solution or your offering, right? The way you actually learn it is using a customer development model. You can build startups without actually using customer development model or your business model canvas. But Steve Blank actually kind of formulated this, and he says this, right? There is a search part of it, that's where your startup is, and you are iterating there between customer discovery and customer validation, right? When you're talking with me, you're doing customer discovery. When you're getting your money, you're getting customer validation. If I don't pay for it, no, it doesn't really work, right? And sometimes what happened here was you pivoted, right? You were making planes initially. You discovered something that I was willing to pay more for something which has a lot of symmetry like this, and then you changed your model, right? So it was unique, right? You started making kites, and you started making something unique. You pivoted than making planes, right? Each iteration, you are learning something. The goal of your experimentation is learning, right? And once you start learning, you actually can move from customer validation to customer creation, where you can have a scalable, repeatable process, right? Steve Blank came up with these 14 items about customer development manifesto, and he really talks about using agile development. I have highlighted some of these terms. He talks about agile development, and he talks about using a business model canvas for your startups, for validating your hypothesis, right? Anybody familiar with the business model canvas term, right? What do you know? What do you use it for?
Just new product development. It has all the sections like customer relationships, your revenue streams,
Yeah.
your value creation.
Yeah, exactly.
Really structure your thoughts around how to make it.
Structuring your talks around it. It's just a graphic organizer. I'm going to skip over all these things. And the major thing with business model canvas is it's not just about an idea. It's not just about a customer channel, or it's not about a customer segment. It's about everything, right? Running a business includes your cost structure, your revenue structure, your value proposition, which is the most important thing. What value do you deliver to your customer, right? And key activities, resources, and partners too, right? Maybe you are actually a startup. You need to partner with other organizations because you really cannot offer the whole enchilada, right? So the one thing which you're trying to validate in each of your iteration is my hypothesis correct? So your business model canvas usually looks like this. These are actually sticky notes. It's like a 9 feet by 5 feet canvas with sticky notes all over, right? And the reason why you're using a big visible chart like this is because the vision is very clear to everybody in the organization. There is no confusion. Everybody gets the big picture, right? And we talked about, or we saw that startups, their job titles are very fuzzy, right? So it's okay for a developer or an engineer to go and talk with the customer as long as he understands and he gets the big picture, right? One of the best examples I have seen is some organization called the Library Corporation. You know, library is actually a dwindling business, especially considering Wikipedia and internet and online books. And this Library Corporation actually kind of makes an inventory management system for school libraries and colleges, right? So their business model was dwindling, and they had to really reinvent themselves, and they actually did it with a lean approach using business model generation and lean canvas, right? So you can go and Google there, and they have an excellent understanding about their customers. And the beauty is, in their organization, developers have Slack, when we say slack, that's non-productive time. They have about 50% slack is what Sim and Marcus told me.